September. 8:14 in the morning on my watch. The one on the bus is a little bit ahead. We're on a bus with a company called Fiji, and we're hauling up a mountain now, where we're going to go kayaking down a river for 12 miles. So it's taken us 3 hours from our hotel so far. We just transferred to this bus, and it's going to take another hour to get up into the mountains, I guess, where we come down. Let me show you on a map. Help hold that side, would you? This is the west side of, it's Luva, right? Luva. And you can hold that for me. This is, we started out at our hotel here and came down around the coast, past Sikatoka, places like Malevo, Levo, and I think we're somewhere in here. We're going to go up to the Navua River, exactly where we're starting. Let me see if I can open this up. I wonder if you could open that up for me so you can see the whole island. It's going to be a little bit of an adventure. There's the island, and here's a place called Pacific Harbor.
Okay, take some pictures.
Use the water.
Open the windows up if you want to take pictures, eh?
There's the ocean out there.
And anyway, if you look from here, just back at the horizon, if you look back at the horizon right back there, you see a long flat island. You can see it from here. A long flat island. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
It's normally flat. Right at the back there. It's normally flat, no mountains. That's what we call Vatulele Island. Eh?
No, not that.
Vatulele.
No, it's still flat.
It's normal. It's totally flat, no mountains. More than 5 villages and 2 resorts on that island. So for their water, they pull the water from the mainland, straight to the island. And that's where we find red prawns.
Find what?
Red prawns.
Okay.
Red prawns.
The prawns around here in the mainland, the prawns they're brown. When you cook it, then they turn red.
We call them
Okay? So
reds.
on that island, you can you walk on the beach, you just pick it up and eat it because they're already red. It's very unique.
Okay, well, we're going to do this.
We only found the red prawns
Navua
on that island, no other
River.
places in Fiji.
And, but it's taken over 3 hours.
Is that right?
It's taken over 3 hours to get from here to here. Okay. Nice and cool. Probably 60s. Of course, all we got is kind of shirts that wick for 80, 90 degree weather. Some people looks like they brought some sweatshirts. Again, so it's a big chilly. Alright, turn this off and but once you get some kind of feel for the